keeping tower. But just today that you said my avatar kind to change. Yes, I tried on some fancy avatar ideas, so I get this one. You could see, you could click it right there. Don't look at me, I'm old like that. Nah, don't tell me. Where's the man? No, there's no man there. Super funny. Bro, why is everyone so new but having forward? I love this idea. Just so funny.
Ano sinasabi mo? Matanda na kami ng nanay mo? Hindi po. Basta sa susunod tayo na sumama. Sige po. Akin mo din ba? Akin mo! Hindi po. Mas nagyari pa ako, di ba? Hindi po. Hindi pa ganawan yan. Baka naman yan. Para sa mga pagkaya.
Salamat.
How's it take? Girl got behind me like that. It's so sad like that.
Mimi, ikaw ba yan? Ikaw si Mimi.
Thing, you know?
Sayang kasi. Ako si Mimi.
Yeah, wait, I do that. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Magkano? I got you.
Yeah. Definitely hate that stuff. Cause she don't know how to do it properly.
Sabi mo naman di ba? Ganda ang kita dito.
That she quit even Roblox because her mom called her to wash her dishes. Shit, bro. That's why the girl leave the server.
Paano naman nila malalaman?
I'm still jealous of my avatar today. I'm so cute, so elegant. And
Okay. Para masigurado mo.
I won Tower 4, so let's do it again. Let's see if I can get back a recap.
Hindi mo mamumush yun sa?
Okay, here they go.
For your peace of mind.
Kano naman yan?
Almost there. Yay! I made that.
10%.
Bro, Mom, can you call me?
10% of 1,500 is only 100.
Bro, what the bacon is that? It's always my skill. That bacon is not having everything that she took from me. I down to cheese. I know that one can possibly for the most of them. See? Bye-bye. Why? She left again? She's so new but just when I'm a pro hacker. I'm a pro hacker at this one.
Kamusta na yung schooling mo?
Okay naman, wala ka na konting problem na.
Ano yun?
Hindi namin gumawa ng presentation about...
Bro, how did I find?
Huwag kang mag-alala. Tutulungan kita mag-isip.
Bro, Lucia will definitely go better than me.
Pwede na tayo gumawa ng...
I love Obby so much. And I also like MM2. So, I will play MM2 next day.
Pero, ano ba yung isi-shoots natin?
Just playing the garden
Sige,
again
basta ako
without
na
me.
bahala mag-isip.
Bro,
Anything na native. Kahit ka muna o gawa ni nanay, hindi ka maligit.
Pwede ba natin i-shoot to?
Oo, i-shoot sa bibig.
okay, bye.